Your next challenge is entitled How Many Vowels? You are to create a function that takes a string and returns the number of vowels contained within it. Examples below. Check the word celebration. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, that looks good. Palm has 1 vowel in it. And prediction 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks good to me. Important note, they do not count Y. Y is sometimes considered a vowel, but for simplicity, we're just going to omit that. And the other note, all test cases are one word and only contain letters. So that's very important too. I think I'll pass on the error checking, but yeah, those are very important things to be aware of. And even while they say are one word, we'll give the benefit of the doubt that they're going to pass recognized words. So we're not going to worry about any of that kind of validation, but you would in a real scenario. So those are the rules. Let's get on to the coding. Now's your chance. Pause and have a go. Okay. So to count the vowels, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a collection containing the vowels that I can refer to. So I'm going to call it vowels. And I'm going to say that equals to new char array. I'm going to initialize it A, E, I, O, and U. Remember, we're not including Y. I put 2 spaces there. No. Okay, good. So those are the vowels. Then, if you recall from other videos, we leveraged this contains method of string. I'm not going to spend too much time on it because we've done that. You can refer to the other video. But we're going to use this one that takes a character, it returns a value indicating whether a specified character occurs within this string. That's perfect for us. Returns a Boolean. We could call this function a predicate, right? Let's go back. And then, so we can say for this string contains, right? That was the method that we can call on strings. We are going to put a lambda in here. I'm going to call my input. Remember, a string is a character array, so it's going to give us, in turn, 1 character at a time. I'm going to call mine CH, short for character. And then I'm going to say that I basically want to check if the character is contained in this array. So we'll say such that vowels contains CH. Okay, and we're going to need for contains the system namespace. Let's bring that in using system. Okay, vowels. Okay. Let's see, cannot convert lambda expression to non-delegate type string on line 8. String contains. Let's see. I want a character here. Let's see what I did. String contains. Should be able to pass a character. Oh. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm all messed up. I see what I did wrong here. So, yeah. I used contains in the wrong spot. Sorry. Mixing up my functions. We're trying to count, right? We're taking this string and we're trying to count the number of occurrences of vowels in it. So yeah, we've used count before as well, so feel free to review that one if you'd like. And then well, this was contains, let's go to string class. Actually, this is more like an enumerable thing. Count. Let's try it this way. There we go. Enumerable count method. That's the one. This is the one that takes the delegate here. So we can pass a function in that's a predicate. Sorry about that, I'm all mixed up. So yeah, string count, that's what we're going to pass in. And that's what this is, right? Contains, yeah. So that'll return true or false. So this should be good. String does not contain count, sure. Probably going to need to bring in link for that. Sure enough, we are. See, namespace system link using system link. This should make it happy. Nope. On line 6. Program compiled. Not all code paths return a value. Oh shoot, well, I even forgot to put the return statement, right? They're expecting an integer from us. Wow, it's late here. I should oh man, missed a lot of stuff, but that's how it goes, you know, you sit in front of the screen for a while and your brain turns to mush, and then sometimes you get these cues like this, like, hey, go throw the football around, or go to sleep, or go do something non-programming, get that hard reset and get back on track. But let's see how this goes. Cool. Yep. So there you have it. There's one other thing I wanted to point out with this, where in my opinion this comes up a little short, and I wish that these test cases would have done a better job. I wish they would have started one with a capital vowel, because I think that would not be caught here. See how I used all lowercase values? And so what I would actually do to account for that, because I think it should count for the first letter even though it's capitalized. I mean, that's kind of what I think makes sense for the request that they're making here. They simply say they want to know the number of vowels, not lowercase vowels. That's kind of weird, right, if they only wanted a count of that. So I'm going to assume that capital letters should count too. And so to get around that, the char class has this toLower method where you can just basically guarantee that the output, see in this case they passed it that capital A, you get the lowercase a. So it's kind of a way of ignoring case. So I would probably add that char toLower, and I'm going to refresh this just to be sure it works. Can't be too certain about anything after those previous blunders, right? So let's try this. Cool. Yeah, and then I think this would handle, so if we get those capital A, this is gonna make it a lowercase a, then it's gonna go check vowels if it contains lowercase a. And if it is lowercase a to begin with here, this lower preserves that, it stays lowercase a. And so I think that should work. That's how I would do it. I apologize for the blunders there, but I think there is probably something useful about seeing that and working through problems. So yeah, I hope you otherwise enjoyed the video and found it useful. Thanks for watching.